Many cocoa bean farmers around the world grow the bean to make a living, but have no idea what it's used for. This person gave some chocolate to these farmers in Africa as they've never tasted it before.
C'est doux. C'est doux là.
Vous aimez?
C'est vraiment intéressant.
C'est doux. Oh.
The United States and Russia are the two largest arms dealers in the world. Here's a great visualization showing where these weapons are being sold. This company wanted to test out how strong their building materials were by creating the largest earthquake test ever. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon. If you've ever bought an apple from a supermarket, you will notice something interesting. Take a knife and look at the wax that falls off. Apples that are sold in grocery stores are dipped in a layer of edible wax to keep the apple looking shiny and fresh. A kangaroo jumped on this guy's car and broke his window. This person can do a really weird trick with their belly button. This cat really wanted to eat this potato.
Морти, куда? Отдай. Да, блин, Морти, отдай. Отдай картошку. Отдай картошку. Что ты делаешь? Блин, зачем тебе картошка? Зачем тебе? Зачем тебе картошку? Отдай. Блин.
Yo, Pudgy, how you feel about people saying you sound like Yoshi?
This poor guy couldn't get inside of his own house because it was so icy.